Hey guys, this is Mitch McCoy with Fab402. This is going to be one of our very first videos that we're going to give you guys the behind the scenes look and how we're making the products for you guys. That's definitely something we had in mind when we started a little video series. The goal is, especially anything custom, and if our customers want, we want to give the background look on what we're doing and how we accomplish what we're doing. A lot of it is just going to be the view of our CNC here set up and it getting cut out. Then we'll go through the prep for either welding or the prep for the coating process, and then what the final product looks like, and pretty much give you an idea on what goes on with our processes from the moment we get an order to when it leaves our shop and becomes the customer's. I don't know if it's going to come up on camera what I'm working on here. This order right here is for Cody Beecham. It's a good friend of mine, lifelong friend, all around great guy. It was pretty much my idea. I just needed somebody to want to buy it, and Cody happened to be that customer. So I'm gonna set the camera up and you guys can see it come to life here on the sheet on the table here in front of me, and then I'll carry it on through the rest of the process. All right, thanks guys. All right, so our sign's all cut out, and I'm just gonna go through this process of getting it all set up for paint, or excuse me, powder. Well, here's the final product. Came out pretty neat. Got a lot of positive reactions on it with social media and everything. Reached out to Cody, gave him a little sneak preview. He loved it. So I think with all that being said, it came out super neat. If you guys are interested in something similar, or even the exact same thing, hit us up, and see you next time. Thanks.